And then you
listen. Hello.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. Nighty-night.
I love you.
I love you.
Hold me tight.
Hold me tight. Very nice, Claire. All right, what's he doing now? Okay, he's flying again. Hey, Joseph, you want to come fly with us? Matilda's hopping on one foot like a parrot. Good parrots. Let's see if you can remember what the parrot said again. Do you remember? What does he say first? Hello. Peekaboo. What does he say then? Good morning. What's next? How are you? Right, Matilda. That what did he say? What did he say after how are you? I'm hungry. And what's next after I'm hungry? You remember? Nighty.